What's going on, guys? I'm gonna go over 3 exercises you can do right now to start working on your flexibility today. I'm Lindsey. I'm a personal trainer specializing in mobility work. I've spent the last 7 to 8 years really studying mobility and working on myself, and now I share that information with my clients and others. All right, let's get into the exercises. Exercise number 1, sideline hip rotation. So for this drill, we're gonna get down on the ground and we're gonna isolate our hip and work on internal and external rotation. So from this sideline position, I'm gonna elevate my top leg. I'm then gonna externally rotate the hip as much as I can by lifting the knee up, pausing there briefly, then drop the knee down as low as I can while lifting the foot, working hip internal rotation there, and then right back to external rotation. Make sure and do not tip back like this. We've gotta stay stacked on our side the entire time. Exercise number 2, hamstring good morning. So in this drill, we want our feet right underneath our hips. We're gonna be standing up tall. I'm gonna arch the low back and I'm gonna maintain that arch as I drive my hips back, and I'm also gonna fight to keep my chest up. Eventually, I'm gonna hit a big stretch in my hamstrings. From there, I'm gonna press my feet into the ground, come up out of that, right back down. We've gotta keep this rigid spine the whole time and try to pull to a deeper stretch every single rep. Exercise number 3, a shoulder internal and external rotation. So for this drill, we're gonna squeeze a fist the entire time. We're gonna set up with a 90-degree bend at the elbow and a 90-degree bend at the shoulder. From there, I'm gonna pull my fist back as far as I can into shoulder external rotation, pause briefly, and then take it down into shoulder internal rotation, pause briefly there too, right back up, and back into internal rotation. Thanks for joining me for those 3 exercises. If you saw where those drills could help you, take your mobility to the next level and sign up for my Mobility for Athletes program on the Fit app. Click the link in the description and get started today.